Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the EKSA E900 wired gaming headset. This is the EKSA 7.1 surround sound E900 Pro 2-in-1 gaming headset. It's compatible with PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, computer, and what you like or what you can dock with that device. It's a headset with microphone for a big bunch of possibilities in 7.1 surround sound with detachable microphone. It's an over-ear wide gaming headphone compatible with PlayStation 3, 4, 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series X and S, and computer, laptop, Nintendo Switch, both USB and 3.5mm audio interfaces with two removable audio records offers several alternatives and different sound systems. The white gaming headset is compatible with the most mobile devices out there, controller and Xbox and all other. The 7.1 surround sound is only available on personal computer with a USB cable, okay? The USB cable is included. The 7.1 surround sound creates an immersive gaming experience. Every subtle sound, music, and effect from various directions in the game is more pronounced and detailed for us to identify enemy position, avoid surprises attacks, and defeat the enemy easily. We are practically immersed in a world of our own. And high sensitive and in-directional noise cancelling microphone. It can effectively reduce the background noise and pick up our voice clearly. The EKSA E900 Pro gaming headphones for PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 4 console also features a user-friendly one-key mic mute switch and volume adjustment for smooth gaming operations. This noise-canceling mic provides specific sound images and is created for in-game chat, Skype, working, and studying. The adjustable headband is designed for our comfort in a way that balances weight distribution and reduces the clamping force on our head. The soft memory protein earmuffs also help to take away all discomfort that might be associated with lengthy gaming sessions. We won't feel a thing wearing this 7.1 gaming headphone for hours and hours and hours and hours. EKSA innovation for gamers. Gaming should be relaxing. EKSA want to make sure that games don't make us exasperated deficient gears do. That's why they create EKSA, to let everyone have access to the best performing headsets for gaming. Oh yeah. EKSA E900 PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch personal computer headset with two detachable cords, USB and 3.5mm. Compatible with nearly all consoles and controllers out there. Mac, personal computers, laptops, which features exquisite craftsmanship and cool looking. It is an ideal choice for us. It could works with a USB cable for PlayStation and console, and of course computer. With a 3.5mm, it works on the PlayStation controllers, and it's easy to detach and replace. That is a detachable dual audio record gaming headset. Multi-platform compatibility. Plug and play, baby. Oh yeah. And 7.1 surround sound. This will give us an edge in frames gaming. Okay, we have to download the driver from the EKSA official website to adjust the sound effect on the EQ software according to our specific use. And the detachable design is really cool. The detachable design of the E900 Pro microphone guarantees convenience and flexibility. It is easy to use anywhere and it is convenient to replace. and memory foam. This ear cups for maximum comfort. The lightweight breathable memory ear cotton screams comfort all over. We will easily forget that we are wearing headphones while playing games. This will lead to an overall better gaming experience. And it's glass friendly. The soft and comfortable oval protein ear cotton can effectively reduce the pressure of the earphones on the glass. Ultra comfort for long time gaming. Also with glasses. The driver diameter is 50 mm. The impedance is 32 ohms, 320. Sensitivity is 105 decibel plus minus 3 at 1 kHz. The frequency ranges from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The mic sensitivity is from minus 40 decibel plus minus 2 decibel. The headset cable is 3.5 mm cable and included is an USB cable. Oh yeah, you can see you are prepared for nearly everything out there. Yeah, while gaming. The surround sound with a premium 50 mm neodymium driver. The EKSA headset LED offer vivid surrounding sound field and detachable noise cancelling microphone. The high sensitive 360 adjustable microphone can pick up voice clearly and isolate ambient noise effectively. Ensure high quality voice transmission during in-game convenience or online chats. And built for comfort, the retractable headband and the soft leather ear pad of the gamer's head provide personality fit and a maximum bunch of comfort. And cool LED light. We can create a glowing game atmosphere as we like. As we like awful. This is really cool. It looks cool and it is cool. This is the EKSA E900 Pro 2-in-1 gaming headset for nearly all devices out there which like to give us some sound on your ears. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.